this video, we're going to look at how we can place a custom certificate on our provider appliance and data services manager. I'm going to use the cert manager that's available in our vSphere IaaS, formerly known as vSphere with Tanzu. So you can see that it's already set up. I have my issuer information. I have a certificate of authority already created. These are outside the scope of this video, but you can use many other cert managers in order to create a certificate for DSM. I just find that using this is the easiest. So again, just to show you that there are various certificates in place, like the certificate of authority again that I'm checking there is already in place. So now all I need to do is send a certificate signing request to my cert manager on my vSphere IaaS. And here's the YAML manifest for that certificate signing request. You can see it's going to my issuer, and as soon as I apply that, what I get is a new certificate, which is implemented as a secret actually, but you can query the certs from your cert manager. You can see my new one there, and I can display it in YAML format as well, so you see exactly what I have sent in to the issuer. So I'm going to look at the secrets, and as I said, the certificates are implemented as secrets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract the secret into a YAML format and modify it slightly so that it is available for application to the data services manager. So you can see now the certificate or secret has got a certificate of authority, it has the certificate itself, and it also has the key. So all three components necessary for changing the DSM certificate are available. So as I said, I'm going to extract it out into a YAML manifest. I'm going to modify it slightly. So I'm going to get rid of things like the creation timestamp, the resource version, and the UID. And also what I will do is I will change the namespace, because the namespace here is for my vSphere IaaS, but I'm going to change the namespace to the DSM system namespace, which is the correct namespace for saving these secrets on DSM. Great, so let's have a quick look at the DSM UI. You can see currently that the certificate is managed by DSM. This is the default deployment method that we have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the kubeconfig so I can access the gateway API, and I'll just verify that after I have set up the kubeconfig with my API resources command. That all looks good. So now what I'm able to do is just query the current secrets in my DSM system. You can see that I don't have a provider secret, and I'm just going to apply the YAML manifest that I created previously, run the get secrets once more, and there we have my new certificate secret in place. So the final step is to update the DSM configuration to actually tell it to pick up the new certificate. That goes into the spec section of the DSM config. So to change that, I can run an edit DSM config command, come down to the spec section, add in the TLS colon, and then underneath that give the secret name. And once I've added in the secret name, which is the secret that I've just created, save that off. And now if I return to my DSM UI, you can see that my certificate is no longer managed by DSM. It's my custom certificate, and it's got all of the information taken from my vSphere IaaS. So that completes the demonstration on how to add a custom certificate to the DSM provider. Thank you for watching.